In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text slicer to filter visuals in Power BI. Power BI is a powerful tool for visualization and analysis, and I'll be guiding you through the process, starting from scratch. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along successfully. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI application. Once you have it open, the first step is to import your data. You can do this by clicking on the Get Data button, typically located in the top menu. Clicking this button will bring up a drop-down menu, and for this demo, we'll select Excel Workbook. You'll see a file folder pop up, and this is where you can navigate to the file you need. Once you've selected your file, another window will pop up within Power BI. Here, you'll see all the tables within your dataset. Choose the table you want to visualize, and then click Load. Now be patient as it may take a few moments for everything to load completely. Once it's done, look to the right side of your screen. You'll see that your table has been successfully imported. The next task is to create a numeric range slicer. To do this, we'll first need a chart to apply the slicer to, so go over to the Visualizations pane and select a column chart. Look over to the right side, under Fields, and choose the data you'd like to display in the chart. For this demonstration, let's select Subcategory for the axis and Sales for the values. You'll notice a chart has now been created in the canvas area. This chart provides us with a visual that we can now enhance by applying slicers. Now, let's move on to creating a text slicer. Go to the Visualizations pane once again, and this time select the Text Slicer option. You'll notice that your slicer is currently empty. To make it functional, we'll need to add data to the fields. For our example today, let's imagine we want to filter our data based on the sales segments like corporate, consumer, and home office. Select Segment from the fields list to add it to the slicer. This setup allows you to type directly into the slicer to view specific segment data. Start by typing corporate into the slicer input field, and then press Enter. You'll see that the visual updates to display only the data relevant to the corporate segment. Repeat this process to filter by typing Consumer. Again, you'll see the corresponding data update in the visuals. Finish up by typing Home Office to see the final segment's data. And that's it. You've learned how to create a text slicer in Power BI to dynamically filter visuals. This is a handy feature that makes analyzing data quicker and more intuitive. Tailor these slicers to fit your unique needs and enjoy exploring data with greater efficiency in Power BI.